Welcome to Bright Path Academy, where we teach SAT math, reading, and writing so that everyone can do well on the SAT. Do you ever get stuck on those similar triangle questions? Well, this one is for you. Number 27 says, in a right triangle ABC, angle C is the right angle and BC is a 162. I'm just going to stop there because whenever we see a word problem with lots of words, what is a good test taking strategy? You're right, to draw a picture. So we're just going to do that right now. So we have a triangle, A, B, C, where C is the right angle and side BC is 162. Okay, let's continue reading. Point D on side AB, so there's a point called point D on side AB, is connected by a line segment with point E on side AC. So there is a point E on side AC. We're just going to connect this line such that the line DE is parallel to side BC. So these two lines are parallel. And CE is to AE. So CE here is to AE. What is the length of segment DE? So what we're trying to find is this segment right here, DE. But what we have to notice about this problem is that because there are two parallel lines and because we have two triangles here, so let me just draw you the two triangles. We have triangle AED. Because ED is parallel to BC, we know that E is also a right angle. And we have triangle ACB. What do we notice about these two triangles? If you said that they were similar, you are correct. So we have the smaller triangle, AED, is similar to the larger triangle, ACB. Do you see that? Because they both share a right angle, and they both share angle A. So if they have two angles, they are similar triangles. And so what we can say about similar triangles is that we can do what? We can compare the corresponding sides. You're right. So what we can do is we can say that AE, this side, is corresponding to AC. But how long is AC? Well, we know that AC is just EC, which is 2AE plus AE. So 2AE plus 1AE is 3AE. So AC is 3AE. So we can say this is 3AE. And we can compare ED. So ED or DE is compared to CB. But we know that CB is 162 because we're given that there. So this is compared to 162. So we can set up a proportion like so. The AE's do cancel. So we're left with 1/3 is equal to ED over 162. I can cross cancel the 3 and the 162, and this becomes a 54. So if I cross multiply ED, or in this case, you can also write it as DE, is equal to 54, and that is your answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I also offer one-to-one tutoring, and I'll see you guys next time.